What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You already know by the title, thumbnail, I got another bundle of military bags. So we're about to unbox these and let's see what we got. By the time y'all see this video, everything is gonna be uploaded on my Etsy and Depop. All you gotta do is hit that link in my description. And yeah, reasonable offers are accepted. But it's hot out here. I'm not gonna do it on the porch this time and just be sitting there. I'm gonna just really lay it out in the driveway. All right, well, let's go ahead and get this open. I hope all my items in here. The tape kind of loose, so let's see if I can just pull it. And this is supposed to be 13 military bags. I'm sure y'all can see how hard that sun hitting. Try not to show my house too much. Oh, I can't even, that shit hitting. It's so damn bright, we're gonna have to do this on the porch. Let's go. Let's go ahead and get these unboxed real quick, huh? And this is a bundle of 13 bags, and I do have 15 more military bags on the way. So 28 bags total, and I got like 30 more military pieces like pants, jackets, you know. I ain't gonna say too much, but y'all gonna see. Alright, first one. Got this big one with the backpack straps. I always wanted one that's like a duffel bag with the backpack strap that I can keep for myself, you know, for like if I ever went to the bins or something. Got the little side handle, pocket, backpack straps, olive green. That's a big one. Let's see. Bag, duffel, nylon type 2. DLA. This one is 1986. DLA 86. And it has the US stamp on the front or side, whatever. That's one. That's a cool one, and I really want to keep that one. Got this one. This one is 1995. It's a cold water canteen bag. And it is dated on the back, 1995. Got a little buckle on the front. I don't even know how to undo the buckle. Let's see. What the hell? Yeah, this one clean. And it's like a Sherpa in the inside. Collapsible with sling. 1995. Oh, and it has a tag in the inside, like the big military tag. Let's see. I know a few of these bags are maybe like from the Czech Republic or like, I forgot. I honestly forgot. This one says US on the front. Oh, this is like some kind of backpack bag. Some kind of backpack. Oh, that's fire right there. I can't really read the date. It's super faded in the inside. I'm gonna have to put my light on it. US with the side cargo pockets. Alright, let's see what we got next. I think this was like a bag for like in the planes or whatever, you know, like for the helicopters, whatever, keep their helmets and just like extra gear basically. Big bag. That'd be a good Ben's bag too. Inside. I don't know if y'all can see that material, but it's just like canvas. This one, you got another like over the shoulder type bag with the one strap. Just throw it over your shoulder if you want. I don't want to break it. Oh, I'm fucking tripping. You gotta undo this. Undo the latch, boom, then you can open it. Fire. I've been trying to look around, see what the tags are. I don't see no tag in this one. And it's hot as hell, so I ain't gonna look for every little tag right now. Alright, we got this one with the white on the front. I guess that was somebody's name. This one's kind of like a backpack. I forgot what this was. I think this was like some kind of water bag too. The brand is Condor. Condor is the brand. Yeah, I think it's some kind of water bag though. This one's super green, so let's see if it's like a newer one or whatnot. Oh, this one's like a big duffel. Has an old tag. July 1st, 73. This one has a tag on it from 73. That's another big one with the handle on it and the backpack straps. This one is dated, let's see, this one's dated 1984. I don't know how it's a tag for 1973. Where's that little tag? It says July 1st, 73. But the bag is 84. I don't know. This one got that nylon feel to it. It's not like a canvas, like a thick nylon. It does have the one strap with the handle, US stamped on it. I saw something else too. What is this? Franklin D. Spence. So this was a dude's name. Franklin D. Spence. This one's dated. Bag, duffel, boom, boom. You can't really see this one. It's like 80s or 90s though. Alright, let's see. Got this big one. It's like another one of those plain bags, you know, for the helmets or uniforms or whatever. Another big one. I wonder what's the date on these. On to the next one. Alright. Another big one with the backpack straps. And the side handle, top handle. I don't see any tags in this one so far. And I'm gonna look at them better, you know, once I wash them and I'm not so hot. So some of them might have tags that I just don't see right now. They could have tags in the pockets or something. Let me check this pocket. Something's in this pocket. What the hell? Candy? Fruit snacks? No tags. Alright. What's this? This is a, I think this one's dated, what is this, 2005? Medical instrument and supply set. So this was just like a bag for all their medical stuff. I'm guessing they would hold it like that probably. And it has the US medical stamp on the back. I don't even know how you get into it. Let's see. How the hell do you get into this? Undo that. Undo this. Undo that. Now we're in. Oh! That's clean as hell. Zippers in here. Zippers right here. Zippers in here. And you just fold that back inside. Boom. And then you strap all these straps back again. So yeah, it is super secure. I might keep this as like a car bag or something. I do have 15 more on the way, so I can keep whatever bag I want. Just 2005 on this one. All right, this one, and we got one more. Now let's see. That one's big. I'll save it for last. This one though, I don't think this is USA. I think this one was like the Czech Republic. I could be wrong. It has 86 stamped in it with 2 swords. I don't see any more tags. But it is something in this bag. Let's see what the hell. I gotta wash my hands after this. What the hell is that for? What the hell? I don't want to be touching nothing that's weird, you know what I'm saying? Supposed to be wrapping around. This shit looks like it's supposed to wrap around your back, your nuts or some shit. Hold up, what the fuck? You know. Alright, we're about to figure this out together. What the fuck is this? Cool front pockets. Yeah, they bit too clean. Alright, last bag. I think this is like a rucksack or something like that. Clean on the inside. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. It's like bags inside of bags. Oh, I see something on the back. Can't really see it. 88 or 89 DLA 188 or 83. I gotta use my phone light and put on there. But this is 80s. 80s rucksack, US stamp on the front. Now I gotta lay it all out and get the big layout. Alright, got everything all laid out. I still didn't count, so let's see how many this is. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright. Oh, got the perfect amount. And I got 15 more on the way, plus 30 more sailor tops, jackets, pants, all military. I'm definitely gonna keep one of these. And the other bags are even bigger. Some of them are way bigger than these. Got like the Air Force bags right here, 2 Air Force bags, rucksack, medical bag. Let me show you this medical bag tag. SPO 05. Got this little water bag. This one, what's that, dated 1995. Little canteen bag. Got this US backpack. This one's too clean right here. It does have the straps. Too clean. Got this one. I forgot what this one was. I'm not gonna lie. It has 86 up there. Ooh, I'm gonna have to end this video. I'm hot as hell. Yeah, but that's all of them, all 13. All right, you guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure y'all hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell for future videos. And make sure y'all hype this video too, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to run it up. And let's see, we need to make a sub count, like a goal or something. Once I hit like, I'm at like 1.9K right now. Once we hit like 2,500, I'm gonna do like a 5-piece giveaway with some military items, everything. 2,500. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe, like, comment, share this video, hype this video. And everything is available on my Etsy and Depop, which is linked in the description. And well, yeah.
Preview.